This is the latest and currently being used integrated life jacket with emergency breathing system. So to use this device, in case of a ditching and a possibility of a submersion, all the person have to do just to deploy. Okay, just pull the tab and pull out. Okay, once pull out, they need to take out and put the mouthpiece in and the nose clip in. Alright, and stand by. So in case there is a submersion, possibility of a submersion, all you need to do is to activate by taking a deep breath and squeezing the red button. So you breathe the air, blow the air inside, and you can rebreathe your air. There is a further supplementary bottle of air to give you a bit more time. So this will give you more time to escape in case helicopter submerge.